Hello, I'm in a 2014 VW Passat, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you'll make sure your vehicle's on and your displays are all on, which we now have started. And then we're actually going to use these controls and we'll watch the display here. So as you click through, so I hit OK, we'll clear out all of the different lights if you've got any warnings. And then it'll just scroll back and forth till you get to your phones, which it's on phones now, and it's trying to auto connect to the last phone that's connected here in your saved options. So we're going to cancel that. And if you have connected before, this would be how you access your phones. You may have to delete phones too, because there's not an infinite amount of space that you can have phones saved in here. But we're going to connect a new phone since I haven't connected yet. But while we wait for that, make sure your phone's on, and this is your Bluetooth symbol. Make sure it's turned on, and if you press and hold, it typically takes you to your pairing menu. So we'll pair a new device. Oh, misclicked. Pair a new device. So while that's working, we're going to go back to here, and again, we're scrolling with these, and then OK to select. So I'll scroll down to phone search and hit OK. Now it's looking for phones, so it's going to be looking for this. So we should see my Revel phone pop up here at some point. Sometimes it takes a few tries, just how technology goes. Sometimes you might have to restart the car or restart your phone, but it showed up here. So now I'll select it with OK. And then in just a moment it should be connected. So then now you should be able to use your interface to connect for your music, calls. Sometimes you can see maps and things like that. So it wants to confirm the random numbers, which it is showing on my phone. So yeah, paired that, and then I'll hit OK again, as it says. So it confirmed from the car and from the phone. And then as it's saying, it shows how many users are here, so you might have to delete phones as well to get new phones. So we'll delete this pixel. So I'm gonna hit OK on that, delete, pressing OK again. So that's deleted, and now we've got the new phone connected. And again, everything was from here, and from here now we can access all these. We got Bluetooth audio available now for your music. Here you can access your phone calls and all that. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.